Hi, hello everybody. So some of the questions we get are about Windows Live Mail and how to update the folder list. So to do that, you go ahead and open up your Windows Live Mail. The quickest way to get there is to right click, go to Show or Hide Folders, and you'll see this Reset List button over here. Click on that. It takes just a moment, and then you click OK, and then everything should be right as rain. If you continue to have issues with Windows Live Mail, like say it won't open, doesn't work correctly, you could go right to the Programs and Features on your computer, find the Windows Essentials 2012, click Uninstall or Change, and then repair all Windows Essentials programs, which it will take a few minutes to do everything here. Basically, I just have the Windows Essentials mail program installed, so that's all it's going to repair right now. Mine was just installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel it for now because I know it's working right. I hope that was informative. If you have any other questions about any other mail programs, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help out with anything. And please subscribe for more helpful updates and videos that should come out in the future. Thank you.